Japanese onsen are a very good reason to travel to Japan, but visiting a Japanese bathhouse for the first time can feel quite daunting. Which area is for men and which is for women? Do I really have to be fully naked? And what other rules are there? Here's a comprehensive guide of do's and don'ts at Japan's public bathhouses. An onsen is a natural hot spring, whereas a sento is a public bathhouse that uses artificially heated water. There are also outdoor onsen called Rotenburo. Most of the time, onsen are part of traditional Japanese inns called ryokan, while sento are often located in residential areas. The rules and the bath etiquette is pretty much the same for all of these. A lot of people are a little scared of their first onsen experience, but to be honest, the process is quite straightforward and most of the etiquette is just common sense. There's one thing you have to know before going. Tattoos are kind of a problem. Most onsen and sento will turn away guests with tattoos. Now, this is changing slowly, so you might get lucky, but I would definitely check in with the onsen before you go. Once you've found an onsen, enter it, and you'll probably find lockers or a place to put your shoes. As at most places, you'll be expected to take your shoes off after entering. From here, you buy your tickets at a vending machine or a reception. You can also get towels here, or you bring them yourself. I'd recommend to bring one big towel and one small towel. Now it's time to enter the changing room. Nowadays, almost all bathhouses in Japan are separated, so be sure to enter the correct area. Often you can already tell by the colors of the curtains hanging in front of the changing room. Red is for women, blue is for men. It can't hurt to know these kanji or hiragana, meaning man and woman. In the changing room, you'll either find lockers or baskets where you can leave your belongings, and I mean all of them. It's usually not allowed to wear a bathing suit in the onsen, as they might be unclean. So yes, you have to be fully naked, but so is everyone else, so don't worry too much about it. Here's where your small towel comes in handy. It's the only thing you take with you and you can use it to cover some parts of your body. You'll probably see some Japanese people doing the same. Once you leave the changing room, you cannot get straight into the onsen. Instead, you'll find either modern showers or a washing area with chairs and buckets. Clean yourself and rinse off completely. Most bathhouses provide toiletries to use in this shower area. It's also considered polite to clean the shower area and the items that you used. You can finally enter the main pool, but make sure your small towel does not come in contact with the water. This is another rule focused on keeping the water clean. Most people simply wear the small towel on their heads. Your hair should also be kept out of the water. If you have long hair, make sure to tie it up. An onsen is a place to relax, so avoid being too loud, swimming or running around. Just soak in the hot water and make sure to respect the personal space of people around you. If possible and if there's one, don't sit too close to the area where fresh water is pouring into the main pool. Use your small towel to dry off roughly before entering the changing room again. It's not forbidden to rinse again at the shower area, but it doesn't really make sense as the onsen water with all the minerals are supposedly good for your skin and your health. I'd be super happy if you could subscribe to the channel and like the video. That's it for today, you survived another day in Japan.